Sandhawk by Nighthawk Custom. Color is sweet like brown sugar and slide is smooth like butter. Let's talk about it.
Woo! It's go, 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 go time.
Collectors and 1911 enthusiasts all have Nighthawk Custom on their radar. This company makes high-end custom 1911s. Their motto is one gun, one gunsmith. There's one gunsmith that handles your gun from beginning to end, one hand. So the fit and finish on these 1911s are second to none. I specifically wanted the Sandhawk because of its color. I've been really into the 50 Shades of FDE thing lately, like with the 19X, the M18, and the Sand Viper by Terran Tactical. I'll be doing a review on that coming up soon. The Sandhawk is a Comp 2011 pistol, which means it carries a double stack magazine, chambered in 9mm. It comes in a nice range bag, with an optic plate and tools to install an RMR. It also comes with instructions on installing an optic plate. And it comes with a first shot test target. It also comes with takedown tools. This little guy right here will be important for disassembly, which I'll show you at the end of the video. It comes with two 17-round magazines by STI. Now, let's look at this beauty. It has a 5-inch barrel, but first it's important to note, this gun is empty. No magazine, nothing in the chamber. It has a single port sight block compensator, which reduces muzzle flip, allowing you to stay on target for follow-up shots. It also has a full-length dust cover, which gives the pistol added weight up front, aiding in reducing muzzle flip. I have to say, this pistol is one of the flattest shooting pistols I have ever had the pleasure of shooting. And the slide is the smoothest slide I've ever felt. It feels like glass. That, along with the wide cocking serrations, makes racking the slide effortless. The sights really stand out to me. The front sight is a 14-karat solid gold bead, which helps with sight acquisition. The pistol comes optic ready, so you can pop off the back plate and install an RMR. I think I'm going to roll with the iron sights for now. Looks gorgeous to me. Now, I'm no marksman, but this gun sure does make me feel like I am. It shot tight groups consistently with very little effort. The grip feels great with just the right amount of texturing. It has a grip safety and a thumb safety, which is easy to actuate. The magazine release is okay, nothing to write home about, and no flared mag well, but still, reloads are still pretty easy. Now, on 1911s in general, the slide release has always been an issue with me using one-handed without changing my grip. I always have to use my support hand. This 2011 is no different, but still, the controls are still fairly easy to actuate. Now this trigger is something else. It's an aluminum flat face trigger, 3.5 pounds. Check it out. It's a short, crisp pull and a short reset. Now regarding reliability, I had one failure to fire, right here. I ejected the round. There was no primer strike on the round. I reloaded it and kept firing. That was the only malfunction I had. Now keep in mind, I did not lubricate or clean this gun before shooting it. I shot it straight out of the box. For me, that's my ultimate test for reliability. Disassembly. Disassembling a Comp 1911 isn't the most intuitive thing. Again, the gun is empty. Remember that little takedown tool that I told you you'll need in the beginning of the video? You'll need it now. If you lock the slide back, you'll notice a little hole in the guide rod. You'll want to stick the short part of that takedown tool into that hole, like so. Now you've released the tension so you can slide the slide freely. You'll want to align the back notch of the takedown lever with the corresponding cutout on the slide. You're going to want to use a punch for that takedown pin. My punch I covered with tape to protect this high-end pistol. That'll make it easy for the takedown lever to come out. Now the slide will come out freely, as well as the guide rod and spring. Mind you, the takedown tool is still in place. Now if you flip this lever down, you'll be able to pull out the barrel and the compensator. Now here's your basic field strip. You have your guide rod and spring with the takedown tool still in place, your barrel and compensator, your slide, and your frame. Now it's ready for cleaning. Now to reassemble, you go the opposite. Now on the barrel, make sure that lever is still down so that you can slide it back into the slide. Now you can put that lever back up and insert the guide rod and spring. Make sure that flat part of the guide rod is facing down. Now to remove that takedown tool, you're gonna have to exert a little force. Pull that compensator out forward. until that takedown tool falls out. Now you push your guide rod back down. Make sure that lever is flipped up. Now you're ready to install it back into the frame. Now when you align the slide in the frame, you'll see the hole. Make sure that hole is patent because that's where your takedown pin is going to go. Now you're going to want to insert the takedown pin only halfway in because you still need to slide the slide back in order to have that back notch correspond with the back portion of that takedown lever. Once that lines up, you can push the lever all the way in. Do a function test. And now you're back in the game. Thanks for watching, guys. If you want to see more videos like this, please like, share, and subscribe.